Are we complete? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kulang pa tayo ng isa. 4 missing. Sino ang mawawala? Again, calling tag numbers 18, 30, 39, 48, 55, 64, 65, and 61. 65? Okay.
Alright. We're complete.
Complete. Advance call tag number 6, 8, and 69. Last call. Tag number 65. Are you there? 65. Tag number 65. Wala na? Wala na po? Okay.
Baka uwi lang. Sayang ka.
Advance call to tag number 6, 8, and 69. Please stay at the entrance of the show ring. Tag number 6, 8, and 69. Please stand by at the entrance of the show ring. Stand by, tag number 6, 8, and 69. Please stand by. Maintenance, calling the maintenance, please.
Mambalak! May lumabas ba?
Advance call tag number 6, 8, and 69.
Parehas. Dami din ang Excel.
So, maintenance please. Maintenance. Calling the maintenance.
Kuya. Sarap mo yung makinil.
Makina?
Makinil. Tato.
Ano makina?
Makinil. Makinil.
This is a battle for the pocket male 1 to 2 years old.
Siyempre, dapat i-shoutout natin yung mga kennel na naglaban-laban nila. We have Playful Kennels, of course, Extend Bully House, Olympus Kennel Club, Bully House Manila, AMT Bullies, GRC Bullies, Samsung Bullies, Big Boss Bullies, the W Kennel, F3 Bullies, with FDR Mastermind PH, Beast Bully Kennel, Primo Calidad, Reaper Crew Bullies, ADB Kennels, Sonadas Bullies, Pacific XL Bully Alliance, PCN Bullies, Chapo Kennel, Liquid Bullies, Popper Warehouse, Primera Alpha, Bulldog Royal, PBO Bully Camp, Bully Pads Beach, with Max Kennel, the Bully Formula, and Crown Bully Nation. And of course, DTL and Big Boss Bully.
Again, this is the battle for the 1 to 2 years old male pocket category.
Alright, up and down. Okay. So my apology, 27 pala. Actually, 28, 29, 30 candles bali. Mga people dito. And again, paalala lang po, bawal po mag-vape sa loob ng venue. Meron po ba na 5,000 pesos. If you want to vape, you can go outside and smoke. Sa labas lang po. Pero inside the venue, it is forbidden. Alright, now go side by side, up and down. Go. Nice one. All right, I think we have a winner. Third place.
Yeah, third place.
All right, Stacker Dogs.
Third place, congratulations.
Second place.
Second place. Second place.